Apparently, you had come to swap.
Yeah.
So I wanted you to give me a brief insight of the good things you use with this bike, what it has done for you, why you are rider before, how you have fared, and that's it.
Oh, this bike, first of all, has done more than I expected it to do. We own a business where we do a lot of delivery, home deliveries and all this. And we used to spend close to 40,000 per day. On this bike, it saves me, because I use 15,000 to move all the way from Lugazi and move product all over town and go back. So I save on a daily basis. And also the ride comfort. I had never ridden a bike before, but upon riding this bike, it's comfortable, it moves well, it doesn't give me any issues, and I'm on the go all the time. Now, from Lugazi to Kampala, remember there's a lot of jam. So if you're delivering something, you are going to face a lot of issues. There's jam here, they close the road here, there's what? You need like maybe 4 to 5 hours to leave that side to here. But in less than 1.5 hours, I'm in town, I'm doing everything, and I am everywhere all the time.
So, apparently, you talked about spending 40,000 a day. How much are you saving if you're only were using 40,000? Is it a bit cheaper? Is it cost effective?
Now, for delivering the same items, I save 25,000 on a daily basis. For delivering everything, because I used to get a order, and I would have to pay 40,000. You give it the different locations you want. Go here, go there, go. But now, even if there's a change in location, it's no problem. But you know the border guys, if you've given in several locations, every time you change, there's a problem. He says, no, you've changed. It's not in our deal, so you have to pay extra. So now I have liberty to do whatever I want in my time.
So, your first experience when you got the bike, had you ridden before?
I had never ridden a single bike in my life. The first time to ride this bike, I rode it from Ndeba up to Lugazi. And the guy I had given a job to be riding my bike, I fired him instantly. Because I've been riding it ever since till now.
So that is the... So have you got any challenges in the bike so far?
No. Not a single challenge.
So meaning the bike is doing absolutely more than you expected.
It has overwhelmed me. I searched on the internet to look for, because I've always been interested in electric. So I searched on YouTube and then I found out about those Spiro bikes.
Yeah.
And then I thought there were the videos that I checked. There was something you're doing. So there were the videos. When I came here, I found this one. Now, this one has extra load space. I can load stuff here, I load stuff there. So it does the work that I need.
Yeah.
When I need it. People tend to say that it's a town bike, it's for luxury, it doesn't do the work. I take it to the farm. I had an issue. My farm is in Lugazi. So I had an issue. Sometimes I would sit home and I say, let me not go, I'm a bit tired, the jam and what. But these days my employees know that Muse is coming anytime. Anytime I step, I can pass by. So I manage because we do yogurt, so I go, we see the cows, I see whatever is happening. And before I was an online farmer, I would call, what has happened? The cow is sick, it's going to die. Then I tell them, okay, you cut. Only to find out that it was a hoax. But now, I'm there all the time.
So you carry yogurt on this bike?
Yogurt, and I also have a fuel station in the Ife. So sometimes when I run out of fuel, I load the acceptable capacity and I go with it.
What is good? Meaning, so why did you come here? For service?
I came for, and the service of this bike is very funny. They just check and they tell you it's fine, you go.
No.
It's just, you come, it's as if it's a meet and greet. You come here and you tell them, okay, so they check, they say everything is fine, bye. Like that.
Okay, thank you, Matthew, for your time. Let me let you go up.
Right.
We are waiting for you to give us supply through with your yogurt as well.